Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be doing some cleaning and maybe changing out little tiny hints of Christmas. So come on with me, guys. So I'm starting out here cleaning out this cookie jar because we're getting ready to refill it. I'll do that a little bit later. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Clean and Decorate. And this is being hosted by Debbie Bubbles and myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now remember that you can do any area of your house or even a section, whatever it is that you want, guys. So this cookie jar definitely needed some cleaning, and my microwave is the next thing that we're going to hit, and we're going to clean this area, take out some of the fall stuff, and just place one or two items that represent Christmas. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be right back. Definitely needed some cleaning, this microwave, and so we're spraying it with the awesome disinfectant cleaner. This works very well, guys. You spray it, leave it on for a minute or so, and then wipe everything down. Good as new. So now I'm just kind of wiping off the stove. We're not going to deep clean that today, and then we're going to move on to the counter. So it's amazing to me how this counter can get so dirty. Everything can just get so dirty so quickly, guys. So we're gonna take care of this section here that I enjoy working in. And yeah, this is gonna look really nice. So we took out the thankful sign and we placed the gingerbread sign there. We placed the cookie jar back, guys, wiped the counter. Here we are at the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.